Hello everybody, today I'm gonna do a follow-up to this video. So, this is a great video, it still works, I'm very proud of it, has 78 views. I'm very proud of it, and what I didn't tell you is how to change the name, and how to change the icon, like, you know, the icon at the bottom when you open it up, and how to change the colors of the backgrounds, and like, just like a date at the top, the calendar. So, I will be showing you how to do that. I did not know how to do it back then. But yes, okay, so I had to remake it, because you really think I didn't delete it, even though, like, in over a year? Yeah, this is the only use that I use Visual Studio for, to make web browsers, because I don't know what else to make. Plus, this is the only thing I know how to make, so, yeah. Okay, now how to change the color background. The color background is, you have to just click on the web browser, and, you go, where is it? You go to back color, I believe, and then you could, like, go here, and then you can do custom, or you can do the system, but mainly do custom, and you can, like, change it. These are, like, extreme ugly colors, but, yeah, but it's the works. Or, the pastel colors, or, yeah, they, like, these light pastel colors at the top, in my opinion, they look the best, because these ones are just straight up eye blinding. They're, like, literally blinding you, but, yeah, so we're gonna stick to that one. I'm not, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can, yeah, okay, yeah, you can do it, I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing over here. No, yeah, I don't remember if you can. Yeah, you can't change the color of this. I'm pretty sure this one changes the outline, or no, it changes the text. Yeah, so if you want to change the text, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, I'm pretty sure you don't. I'm sure you don't have to. You can't really change the color. I know there's something in here where you can change the outline of the button, but that's it. You can't change the color of the buttons, which kind of sucks. But oh well. So now you want to change the name, right? Yeah. So you want to go to the name, form 1. And you name it whatever you want to do. So we're gonna do DemDev's browser. Oh, what? Oh yeah, because there's a text. There's a text thing, and you have to change that text. Anyways, so while I figure out how to do, while I remember how to do that, let's show you how to do the icon. So we're gonna do go to icon. And you just click, so go to the icon, you click the little 3 dots, and it'll only work with files for .ico files. So what you can do that is you can just get the image of your choice, and for example, it can even be PNG, and just put it to .ico at the end. So you just go like this, desktop, and then you're going to do this one. Oh, what? Argument picture, it must be. Oh, okay. So I guess even though you just changed it at the end, I guess you have to just put it through a converter. So yeah, I recommend using Cloud Convert. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so I haven't tested it yet, but yeah, so you just put it through here, you drag it, and you convert what you want to do, then you download. I haven't converted yet, so I'm not sure. If it'll show the same error, but yeah. Okay, so you go to downloads, you go unnamed, and yeah, now it's working. That's what I like to see. So yeah, you go to text. Yeah, okay, yeah, and then you change this to whatever you want. I'm just gonna do DemDev's. I suck at typing. DemDev's browser, and yeah. You could also oh yeah, I didn't say this at the beginning of the video. Sorry, but you can change the font. I'm sure you already figured that out while I was going through it, but yeah, you can change the font, and yeah. So you can do these. It's only Microsoft fonts, like, so basically all of the fonts that you would see in Paint 3D or Paint on, not Paint on it, just Microsoft Paint will basically be here. So we're just gonna do which one? Oh, I'm trying to find. Yeah, this is my favorite font. I always love this one. And bold. Let's do it. And then okay. Yeah, that looks epic. And if you want to do it for all of them, you'll just. Oh, I guess it doesn't set it automatically for you. So yeah, it's kind of annoying, but you can do it for all of them. So you go back to, yeah, I'm just gonna cut it to when I do it. 3, 2, 1, boom. That was a smooth cut. Well, it wasn't really cut. I can just click pause, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I did to all of these, and yeah. So you might notice that your text is like slightly lowered. Oh crap. Your text might be like slightly being cut off. I don't know why that is, but it's probably because it's a big font. And, oh, it can only go down to, wait, can it go down to 7? Oh, it can. Oh, it can go down to 7. Okay. So yeah, you can size it down, but many people don't want to do that, or you just like, you just like it like this. So the only to fix that is either size it down or just extend it like this, And oh yeah, the date and time. I'm just gonna show you how to do that. You just do date, I believe, I believe, yeah, it was daytime picker. Yeah, I was right, this. And then you can go like this, and yeah, it'll say that. You could also pick like what day it is, and you could also put text if you want to put. So if you want to put text, you just put text box. No, not text box. Sorry, you want to do rich text box. What's it? I can never remember which one it was. Oh crap! Give me 1 second. Okay, I deleted it. Yeah. So forgot what it was called, but you go down to text, or not text. You go down to T, I believe, and yeah, I don't. Why isn't it here? Oh well, I guess I just wasted your time and my time, so I don't know where it is, but yeah. So thank you for watching this follow-up video. Yeah, sorry for this cut, but I just cut the rest of the video because the rest of it was literally nonsense. It didn't involve anything that you need to watch, but yeah. Thank you for watching this follow-up video, and goodbye.